It is my immense pleasure to give thanks to our Dhiren sir. Please come on the guys for welcoming from our students. Today we are in musical room. कहाँ पे हम लोग? Musical room. Okay. Welcome for Aditi. Welcome sir बोलो. And thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir. Very nice. Thank you sir. Now, what is the educational tour for our musical room? क्यों हम लोग educational tour कर रहे हैं? Okay. First of all, study tour builds a confidence. Definitely. Without study tour, there is no practical knowledge. It's developing communication skills of yours. Learning about local culture. It gives a practical knowledge as well. Okay. Whatever we are read in a book, we have to see in a practical way. In this way, we are getting more and more knowledge. Are you ready for that then? Are you ready? I'm not getting your voice. Are you ready? Not getting your voice.
Yes.
Yes, that's like a good girl and boys. चलो, let's start. क्या करेंगे? थोड़ा ब्रेक देंगे हमारे क्लासरूम एक्टिविटी को and we are doing a practical knowledge about the music. What is this? Be louder.
Tabla.
Very nice. This is speaker. और मैम क्या पकड़े हैं? What is this? Mic. Very nice. And this one? Drums. And this one? Guitar. तो हम लोग अभी thoroughly one by one read करेंगे. This is all about your musical room. And we all thanks for our Dhiren sir. All of you thank you बोले आप लोगों ने? Thank you sir. Which from our bottom of the heart. Okay? Thank you so much once again to give sir is an immense pleasure to come and deliver our lecture inside the magic musical room. Thank you so much. बोलो सर. तबला है? दुगी तबला. ओके? थैंक यू सर बोलो. ढोलक. That one is ढोलक. अरे बाप रे, so nice. देखो it is a ढोलक. बोलो जोर से ढोलक. दीदी ढोलक. ओके देखो कैसे बजाते हैं सर. हमें दिखा रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट गिटार. गिटार देखेंगे हम लोग. तबला हो गया अभी. गिटार. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रूमेंट that is none other than guitar. Wow, such a nice instrument, no? क्या ये? बोलो सर. गिटार. बोलो.
Guitar.
अरे बाप रे. Okay. How does it sound? Wow. There are 6 strings. Okay. So nice. Play. Oh my God. No. One by one. धीरे-धीरे करना है. Very nice. Okay. You know how to play the guitar? पापा बताते हैं. Nice. This is piano. क्या है? Very nice sound.
One by one.
Go Riyans, go. Riyans, go.
One by one.
अरे वाह प्रणीता. Okay प्रणीता.
Okay.
Yes Riyans. Are you enjoying? Gun. Sir hands,
बोलो
fingers.
अब
Okay.
जा बोलो हिंदी में बोलो
I think click will help, Baba.
दिया दे
Very nice.
दिया दे दिया दे दिया दे दिया दे
Don't touch, printer, switch will get.
हाँ बोलो अब से पढ़ा है हाँ बोलो
अरे वाह.
हाँ सर पढ़े
Go, Priti.
Hela, hela, hela.
हाँ चप्पो चप्पो चप्पो
Hela, hela.
Very nice.
दिया दो
Okay. Musa ben kurdu.
हाँ बोलो
वहाँ रेकॉर्डिंग होगा यहाँ बजाएंगे तो वहाँ रेकॉर्डिंग होगा जो यूट्यूब में सुनते हो ना फिल्म में गाना सुनते हो ना यहाँ रेकॉर्डिंग
सुनते हो ना सर?
ओके
थैंक यू बोलो सर को.